Welcome to radicalwellnesstv.com. This is Laura Lee, and I'm here to share with you some tips and ideas on how to take care of yourself naturally, doing proactive health on a daily lifestyle kind of choice situation. So we need to know what's in front of us. So one of the things in front of us is that our governments and everything are sort of imploding on themselves because they weren't self-sustaining. So the Law of the Land Handbook describes a situation that could be self-sustaining for all of us if we just understood what natural law is. So what is natural law? Well, this is part 3 of the Law of the Land Handbook, and I'm on statement 6. So go back to the other videos if you want to catch up. Statement 6 of the Law of the Land Handbook. By natural law, which deems Mother Earth and all living systems, human or otherwise, to be title holders of inherent rights, interrelated, interdependent, and complementary, we declare Mother Earth to have a lawful personality, able through her human representatives to bring action to defend her rights. For the protection of her rights, Mother Earth takes on the character of the collective. She and all her expressions, including human communities, possess all the inherent rights recognized in these statements, and the rights expressed herein do not preclude the existence of other rights. As part of the community that makes up Mother Earth, all inhabitants exercise rights in form of compatible with both individual and collective rights. The exercise of individual rights is limited by the exercise of collective rights in the living system of Mother Earth, and any conflict between these rights are resolved in a manner that preserves the functionality of living systems. Statement 7. Communities, once regulated according to physical geographical boundaries, arranged as cities, counties, and states, now form and regulate themselves according to free will choice. Customs, practices, and constitutions are developed by inhabitants in harmony with the symbolic relationship of all life systems and in alignment with natural law. Communities may be stationary or migratory, occupying and utilizing natural resources as custodians and guardians of the land. Statement 8. The land, being equal in value to all other living systems, once regarded as real estate, property, or possession, is now free. Each human inhabitant is declared a lawful guardian and protector of Mother Earth. Statement 9. Inhabitants freely enjoy activities of exchange, business, and travel, unhindered and unrestricted, as done in the form that maintains the capacity and conditions for regeneration and the balance of all living systems and ecosystems. Existing infrastructure remains as long as it is maintained and utilized in harmony with regenerative cycles of surrounding life systems. Individuals, groups, or communities sharing an interest in roads, pipelines, railways, etc. possess guardianship of them and are responsible for their care and operation. Statement 10. Decisions regarding personal health care, wellness, education, and safety are the free will choice of each inhabitant. Statement 11. Free movement through and across land, water, air, and space is a natural function of life and remains unrestricted, uninhibited, and unlimited. Modes of transportation safeguard the integrity and regenerative cycles of Mother Earth. Statement 12. Inhabitants and communities freely form alliances and enter into written or oral contracts and agreements consistent with the common good and within the framework of the balance and the rights of Mother Earth and all living systems. Statement 13. The human community intervenes where violations of rights occur. Protection of coalitions consisting of one or more inhabitants assist in assuring rights and protections guaranteed in these statements. Statement 14. Representational value systems, money, have traditionally been used to measure an amount or level of human energy invested in a product or service. These systems are unnecessary, cumbersome, and create fictitious hierarchies. Therefore, all money systems dissolve as human consciousness, understanding of our symbolic relationship with the earth, and access to alternative technologies provide. I affirm these statements. Misquoting, taking these statements out of context, or manipulating their meaning in part or in whole with visuals, music, or in any other form violates natural law and is prohibited. Daughter of Earth, a.k.a. Cindy K. Courier, Justice Court of Ages, Ombudsman, Reign of Earth. So we're going to go into the statements of clarification, the preamble. So on our next video, which will be video number 4, we'll see you then. Love life and life will love you back, and I think this information will help. All right, please share and make a comment.